Welcome back to Crypto Future, guys. As always, not financial advice in this video. I try to point out things for you to add to your watch list and kind of read about and do your research on. So get that out of the way. And boy, so much news, eh? So much news the last couple days. It's been exhausting just keeping up with it. We got some Caspa news. We got some Jasmy news. We're going to be all over the place this evening. I did watch the John Deaton video today. Um, I will be doing a breakdown of what I took from that video. Just bear with me on that one. So keep an eye out. It's coming. Okay, so let's start off with some Jasmy news. Or Caspa news. Sorry, we'll start with Caspa. Caspa has launched a funding pool to secure CAS listing on trusted C5 platform Bitpanda Global. So they're trying to get a pool, build a pool up here, so then they get a good listing on Bitpanda. So not financial advice, but if you want to get another listing, you want to contribute to that. If you want to be a part of that, if you want to be able to buy and sell your or trade your Caspa on Bitpanda, then there you go. Personally, I get mine on KuCoin right now, and yeah, so very bullish on Casper, guys. Very bullish. I think it's going to be a gem, one of the gems in the next market cycle, 2025. So keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Got some Jasmy updates here. So got some bullish stuff on Jasmy here. Sorry if I'm a little slow today, guys. I'm exhausted. Tweet by Bitcoin Buddha. Got over 400k followers, which is good. Talking about Jasmy here. TA Jasmy. I've started adding more and more since I truly believe we'll see this trading above 10 cents in the next bull run. I see it significantly higher than that personally, but it's very bullish to have somebody like this, somebody with this many followers, starting to DCA into Jasmy. I told you guys, I am so bullish on Jasmy, guys. Like, don't listen to these people who are fighting it and saying it's a scam and this, that, and the other thing. Don't listen to it, guys, because don't be shaken out, right? This is the accumulation phase. A lot of people are discouraged, and I'll keep telling you guys this every day until we're out of the accumulation phase. The accumulation phase is for accumulating, right? Everybody's scared. That's the point. I'm not scared. I'm buying. I'm DCAing. That's what I do. That's what I do in accumulation phases, right? So don't let people shake you out. Don't be manipulated. Stay strong. Stay strong to what you believe in and why you started DCAing and buying into Jasmy in the first place, or whatever project that you're in. We got so the Federal Reserve has decided to pause on the rate hikes. Now, the last 2 or 3 times that we had bullish news in terms of the Powell coming out, I've noticed that the day of we dropped, and then the next day we pumped. So just a heads up, keep an eye out for a solid pump tomorrow, both in Bitcoin and the alts. That's what I would look for. A little bit of a heads up there. Not financial advice. More Jasmy news. Tweet by Javon Marks. Jasmy's 48 on the 48-hour chart has shown that prices and RSI momentum indicators has confirmed a hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence in technical analysis occurs when the price of an asset forms a higher low, while corresponding momentum indicator creates a lower low, indicating that bullish momentum is still present despite temporary pullbacks. So could be seeing a pump soon, and I'm going to get into where in a minute here. So bear with me, and we're going to get to it right now. So we're about to break out. Now we could break out to the upside, or we could break out to the downside. And with the bullish divergence, we could break up to 2042. With the breakdown, we could break down to 2030, and if we break down from that, we go to 2023. Now, a lot of people don't want to hear that. Me personally, I'm kind of hoping for the downside because we're in an accumulation phase, guys. To want it to pump up to 2042 right now, want it to break out to the upside, just for me doesn't make sense because we have like 10 months still till the halving, right? So we got a long way to go here, and we're not going to be seeing all-time highs and blow off tops and stuff like that until late 2024, early 2025. So unless you're planning on taking short-term profits, uh, you know, going up 3-4% or something like that, then yeah, I guess you want to pump. But me, I'm DCAing for the big pump. I'm DCAing for the blow off top. Right? I'm talking, don't have to go to work anymore money. Right? Um, so I'm kind of hoping for a pull to the downside because, if we can go all the way down to 2023, I can get twice as many Jasmy as I could if we pumped up to 2042. Right? So just food for thought, not financial advice. Now, this is an interesting little tidbit here, too. Did you know that while the SEC is busy suing Binance and Coinbase, BlackRock and the biggest banks in the U.S. silently bought record amounts of Bitcoin? So it's just another this is all a plan, you guys. I keep saying that, right? Like, they're not going to kill crypto in the United States. They're just not. They're just trying to fill their bags. They're manipulating us. They're manipulating the system so that these hedge funds, these banks, can buy in as much as they possibly can. And then you watch. You will come back to my videos and you will say, "You were right, bud. You were right, Rob." Because I'm telling you right now, when their bags are full to the point where they're happy, they're gonna promote the hell out of Bitcoin and crypto. They're gonna promote the hell out of it. It's going to be everywhere. They're going to be pushing it like crazy because their bags are full, right? It doesn't take a genius to figure out what they're doing. And some more Jasmy news to finish off. Little tweet here by McSource, Source 0008. You remember when Bitcoin hit the scene and you watched it rise beyond recognition? And now that the dawn of data security is upon us, are you going to see the same with Jasmy? And that's a good point, guys. We're living in an age right now where data is like gold, right? And we've been taken advantage of by these companies, by companies like Meta, Facebook, and all that stuff, because they're selling our data and it's ours, right? So we want to monetize that. We want to be able to decide who has our data. And we want to be able to profit on that, right? Because it's ours. It's your data. Some company like Meta shouldn't be making billions of dollars off of your information, right? And then so when somebody looks me in the eye and says, "Oh, Jasmy's a scam or a rug pull or whatever," right? I don't know what you're talking about because clearly you are not doing your research on what this company is doing, and this is just the tip of the iceberg of the utility of Jasmy. So you don't know what the hell you're talking about if you're saying that it's a rug. I'm sorry, you just don't. I would encourage you to go and actually look into the company, look into what they're doing, everything that they're doing, all the use cases, and then come back and tell me with a straight face that there's no utility to the things that they're doing, because I still wouldn't believe you. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I hold. So, and just one last little thing. 305 days and 16 hours and 40 minutes until the next Bitcoin halving, guys. It's coming. That's the countdown clock. That's the countdown clock to the moon for all of us. Retirement. That's what we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. So shoot me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're bullish on Jasmy or not. I also want to hear from the Kaspa community here. You guys have started speaking up in the comment section, and I'm really digging it. So shoot me some comments. Let me know how you guys are feeling about Kaspa as well. Let me know if there's any aspects of Kaspa you kind of want me to dig deeper into what they're doing. Definitely do that. Shoot me a like. I greatly appreciate it, guys. And also, the biggest thing, subscribe. Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing so we can start doing some live shows, guys. I'd love to be chatting with you guys. We're going to joke around. We're going to have a good time, right? So, yeah, definitely do that. And I will see you guys in the next one.